In this video, I'll show you how to safely clean a circular saw blade easily and quickly. First, place the lid on the table. The perfect vessel for holding the blade would be the lid of a 5-gallon bucket. The lid can hold the cleaning solution and accommodate the blade without spilling. The lid has a small depression in the center, which will help when you wish to remove the blade from the lid. Place the blade into the lid. Latex gloves aren't compulsory for the cleaning process, but it is recommended for safety. You may use any laundry detergent or cleaning solution for this process as long as it doesn't irritate or burn your skin. Pour the cleaning solution onto the lid. Be attentive as not to spill any outside the lid. Let the blade sit in the cleaning solution for 5 to 10 minutes. Take the blade out and scrub away the resin and debris using a scrubber or steel wool to reveal the clean blade. Scrubbing might make the blade a little dull, so it's recommended to sharpen the blade after cleaning. Flip the blade and scrub the other side as well. Rinse the blade with water and apply WD-40. Wipe the blade clean and let the blade dry. Check for any remaining dirt and debris. If any remain, repeat this process until the blade is clean. If you found this video useful, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.